one day remaining tomorrow. So in all likelihood, we will ask for additional days to present our evidence because tomorrow continuation of cross-examination, and the parties agreed that there will be after that a formal offer, oral offer of all of their exhibits, and then oral comment to the admission of their exhibits or objection to the purposes for which it is presented. So, if the question is, matagal pa ba yung hearing nito, ang sagot sana hindi na, no? We're hoping that the witness, Ben-Hur, will go straight to answering the question, because kung nakita naman natin, the judge always stops the proceedings because he has not been responsive to yung mga tanong ng sana. Yung mga tanong niya, diretso ng sagutin, di maiiklian ang period for cross-examination. But as it turns out, we have to continue cross-examination tomorrow and ask for time to present our own evidence. So, the constraint here is the coming holidays. We have a long weekend, and per the statement of the judge, he will have to get some rest in the hospital or something like that. So, yun ang concern ng aming kliyente. Baka yung ini-expect niya na summary procedure, because we are in a bail hearing. Ang bail hearing is supposed to be summary in nature. In other words, it is the burden of the prosecution to prove probable cause. And at this juncture, we do not think that they have dislodged that burden. But still, we are going to present our rebuttal evidence na sinasabi. So, yun lang.
Ma'am, kumusta na po si Mrs. Napoles?
Share yung mic mo.
English. Well, the family visits her every day from 1 to 4:30, and they have not reported any untoward incident as regards her health. No? So, normally, pag may sakit siya or pag hindi siya feeling well, the family requests us to make the proper representations. But so far, the family has been visiting, and we have not visited. We have not been informed by any deterioration of her health. No? So, sana yung mga naririnig natin sa dyaryo na we are laying the predicate for asking for hospital arrest, or that mag-wheelchair daw siya, or that the government will oppose any moves on our part. There are no moves on our part for her not to attend the March 7. The November 7 Senate investigation or inquiry, and certainly we are not using her health as an excuse.
May plan po ba si Ma'am Napoles na i-visit yung lola niya sa itong protest, tamagan niya sa protest na sa?
Well, she was hoping na matapos na sana yung bail hearings, because as a matter of fact, yung original schedule dapat tapos na to last week. But nakita niyo naman na napakatagal. They had a total of 8 witnesses, and this is the second day of the cross-examination. So she's very sad that because the prosecution took so long, she may not be able to visit her mother because pending pa rin yung bail hearing. So yun ang concern. Hindi naintindihan siguro ng prosecution. Bakit tayo nagmamadali? The prosecution has always said, every time we stand up to say, can we be more efficient about the presentation of evidence? Ang sinasabi nila, we cannot control their timetable and their manner of presenting evidence. The reason we just say this is because precisely of the concern and the desire of Mrs. Napoles to speed up the bail hearing so that she's able to visit her mother. As you very well know, she's very close to her mother. Those of you who recall her voluntary surrender, you will recall that she surrendered in front of her mother's mausoleum. So, napakalapit na sa nanay na. It's sad that this is the first time that she will not be able to join her mother. And that is why we have been trying to speed up this bail hearings, apparently to no avail. Thank you.